Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And mine is Andrew.
Today we're in Minecraft Education Edition in the Hour of Code Escape Estate. So in the last video we solved this room and now let's go into the portal. Bye butler. Oh, the butler's already gone. Okay, let's see. Oh, where are we? Okay, let's see. Right click particles. Okay, so the button. Okay. Oh, seems like we have to go up there. Let's see. Staircase. Use a cursor to build a staircase to access the upper level. Use move cursor to position the cursor and place block to place a block in the position you have selected. You could go up, down, left, and right. So let's see the code example. Okay, so let's go. So you can use the loop too. Okay, so I'll go over here. So let's see what this does first. So we could do parkour and just like add another thing over here. So we could move and then move cursor. And then up is orange. So move cursor, orange. Oops. Okay, let's see. Okay, so now we can do parkour and just jump because we just need to go up to the next level. Okay, puzzle solved.
So now we have these wind currents that can blow us off.
Oop. Okay, let's go to code.
So now I think we need to use our cursors to block the wind currents.
So Andrew's right, windy bridge. You need to get across the bridge, but the wind is too strong. You need to place blocks inside the holes where the wind is coming from to block it. Okay, so use the move cursor and the place block function. Let's do this example first. Okay, so let's see. Got over here, move yellow, and then two more yellows and up one time. Okay, so move yellow, place block, and then move yellow 2 more times. For iron range, two times. You could just do it 2 times, but we're gonna use the loop, move cursor, and then we're gonna do yellow. Yellow 2 times, and then we're gonna move up 1 time. Move cursor. And then we're gonna do orange since orange is up. And then finally place block. Okay, so let's see. So we're gonna block the first one, block the second one. And then after that, we'll need to block the last one. Okay, so after we're up there, we'll have to go 2 times to yellow and then go down 1 time.
So this time I'm just gonna do the 2 move cursor yellow commands because they're basically the same length as the repeat loop if you do it 2 times. Then we're gonna do the move cursor pink to go down, and then we're gonna place
the block.
Now we're gonna.
Okay, so cover the first hole, and then the last hole.
Puzzle solved. So now there's something called a crate minion.
Oh,
so I think we need to help the crate minion get across.
Okay. Bridge builder. The crate minion is stuck. Oh no, you're both stuck. You should build a bridge for the crate minion to get to the other side so they can press the button to reveal a staircase to help you out. So same functions, move cursor and place block. Okay, so let's see this first.
So now we can basically do that, except we just need to place one more block.
Okay, so let's go to code. And we'll see here.
So we can just use repeat loop.
Okay, so delete, and then we're gonna have to do it 4 times.
So now we can run it.
Oh, you remember the tab so it can be in the loop. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4.
So now it'll go and press the button for us to go up.
Oh,
So now we can get up here. And now we have to remove this wall
okay.
to get into the next room.
Block breaker. You need to break the blocks blocking the door so you can get out. Use move cursor to position the cursor and break block to break the block in the position you're selected. So let's see this first. Okay, so that doesn't work. So basically we just need to break this block and that block so we can just go one hole in. Okay, so let's go to code. So we can just first do break block, and then we just need to move cursor orange so we can go and break that other block.
And then we're gonna break block function again.
Okay, so 1 and then 2.
And then we can go here.
Okay, so in the next video we'll go in, but for now say bye to the crate minion.
Bye bye.
Oh, it face planted.
I
Ah,
can walk right through it. That's crazy.
we're a zombie. It's a baby zombie though.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
that was fun. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.